All right, let's get started. First thing we're going to do is visit the documentation on Laravel.com. This will help us install our first app. So here we are. It's important that you review the server requirements here because you need PHP installed, and further down the road we're going to need MySQL for this version 6. I use Brew to install all these things, so check out their page and it should give you everything you need to get these things installed. It's pretty straightforward there. But we're also going to need a package manager as well. So Laravel uses Composer. Let's check out Composer's documentation to make sure you have that installed. Getting started, great. Here you're going to have instructions for all the different OSs, Mac, Linux, Unix, and Windows as well. So go through here, make sure you have it installed locally and or globally on your computer and it's working correctly, and make sure you have the right version. But let's go back to Laravel. So once you have Composer installed and set up correctly, we have a couple different options. We can install the Laravel installer globally, so you can have some terminal commands to create your Laravel apps. Or you can use the Composer create project functionality. I actually created a bash alias for myself called Laravel, or aliased Laravel, which does the Composer install stuff, the Composer create project. So let's do that. Let's create our first My App, or call it My App. This will bring down everything you need into your folder. So I have a Laravel subfolder, and then it'll create a My App folder in that Laravel folder with all the requirements. And let me go ahead and pause the recording. This takes a little bit, so I'll be right back. All right, looks like we're on the road. It shouldn't take more than 30 seconds to a minute to get rolling. But once it does, it's pretty fast, you'll see. And there we go. So it brought down everything we needed. Let's go ahead and dive into that directory. So let's cd my app. All right, let's see what's in there. Great. It looks like we have all our files. Let's open it in a code editor. So I use Visual Studio Code. You can use whatever editor you want. Atom, Sublime, they all work just as good. So in here you can see we have a bunch of files and directories, but very important, the env file is we're going to be referencing a lot during this course. So you can see you have database connections in there, app name, all kinds of good stuff. But for the time being, let's just check out to see if the installation was successful. So let's go back to terminal, and to serve up the site, we can run a command called php artisan serve, and this will start the site for us. Okay, let's run that. Okay, awesome. So we're running on 127.0.0.1, port 8000. Let's go ahead and visit that to make sure everything's okay. Great, we're up and running. So next we're going to design our first page.